How's it going, guys? Hope you're all having a fantastic day. For today's build, we're going to be making a lightsaber. Today's build, I'm trying out some new camera angles and some new lighting. So if you like today's build and how it was done, please leave a like, remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know down in the comments of a future build you would like to see done. Let's get started. This lightsaber is based off Kota's from the Force Unleashed games. I've always liked this lightsaber design for its simplicity. And that's the machining process for the emitter. Next, we're going to move on to the pommel. And that's all the machined parts done. Next, we're moving on to the weathering process. This saber has very heavy battle damage and weathering from years of use. I'm going to add some blue ink into some areas where I'm going to come in with the Dremel tool and add some damage. Now that we've got our battle damage, we need some colour. I've added some black paint to all the parts, and I'm simply removing it with a Scotch-Brite pad. This gives it an aged and weathered look. Next, onto the leather wrapped handle. I found this leather online for a couple of dollars. It is fake leather, but it works just the same. I'm adding small bits of super glue as I wrap slowly. With the handle done, onto the assembly process. I'm using some green Loctite to make sure that all the parts are held very securely. As the saber nears completion, all that's left is to weather the leather handle. I'm simply going to give it a few scuffs with a knife and give it a few touches of paint to make it seem as if it's been used in the Clone Wars. Here it is, the finished saber. I hope you enjoyed today's build. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already and leave a like. Have a good one.